All right, we're in Marietta, Georgia, and we have several old air conditioners at this shopping center. Start off with this old American Standard. There's the compressor. I'll get a picture of that in a minute. This is a 1990, and it's a 2-ton. Very cool to see these. Here's the compressor. Here we have an old Carrier Cube unit, 2003. Very cool. And we got a Bristol compressor. And we have an old Carrier. This is a 1995, I believe. 1995. It has a Bristol as well. My damn camera will focus. Yeah, there's those. Here we have a Root and a Trane. Yeah, here's a old Rudd. Whoa, that data. It's like it still might be legible. I'll have to come back here, get a better picture. That's a 2009 Trane XB13 unit. Here we have more. We have a rare American Standard Allegiance 10. You don't see these much these days. This is a 1993. Let's get a look at the compressor. This I can actually get a full view. It looks like it has a sticker tag. Oh, we got a newer Timstar 2007. This is older than I thought. I thought it was 2010s, but that's 07. We have more Roods. Let's get a look at this. 1989, 1.5 ton. We're gonna get a look at this. That's old. That's probably early to mid 80s. Oh, keep tripping over these concrete things. Here we got another Root high efficiency. Very short. That date is all gone. And we got a pane. That's peeling really bad. That's a 2012 by the looks of it. 2012. But it's rusty as hell. Look at that thing. It's peeling on top and everything. Here we have another Root and a Duquesne or something. That date is gone. So is this. Although I can get a date off the compressor if I'm lucky. 2008. Let's keep it going. This place is endless vintage. We have a trio of Carrier Cubes here. So we got a Bristol 1997. What is it on this one? 2002. I can't look at the compressor because there's a chair quite literally on top. What is this? There's the data. 2000. Yeah, there's those three. And another old Root. There's so many of these old Roots and old Carriers. 2005. Very cool to see these. A lot of old units here. Oh, fuck. Bristol compressor. Now this thing is covered in junk. I don't think this is in service if it's this piled high. But pretty faded. Now here's what I'm excited to see. We have an old early 80s Lux Air from about 1983. Here's the Carrier that it's next to. It's a 2002. Probably gonna come back next week to catch startups. There's the compressor that's inside of it. Hard to see, but I do know it's from around 83. All this wood next to it. Now, here's what I'm really excited to see. We got some old BDPs. Check these bad boys out. This is, how old is this? 1981, wow. Got a 1981 BDP. How old's this? This is around the same, 1981 as well. We got two 1981 BDPs. A very cool sight. And we got another Carrier Cube. 1998. Here it has a Bristol. And we got more. We got two more. We have a, looks like a Lux Air or something. Is a 2009. Looks like it's a heat pump. And we got a really old Rudd. And this date is all gone as well. Surprised? I am not. But yeah, there's those. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we have an old Trane XT1000. Oh wow, this buddy ain't in use anymore. Here's the data. It's older. It's a 1991. Very cool to see these in service. Here we got two American Standards Heritage 13s. It's a 2007. These both are 2007s. They got compressor blankets. Here we have an old BDP Reliant from 1989. Made in Tennessee. Look at that Bryant logo. It's a very cool Bryant logo. There's the compressor. It's kind of hard to see because the sun's directly in my face. Got a Goodman 2001. Got an earlier beige. We got two newer Tranes. This one replaced a Rude stamped octagon from the mid-90s. 2022. So these are new. Like you got an Emerson scroll compressor in this one. And this one, I'll have to go around to get a better look at, but here are these. 2021 and 2022. Some of these things, here's the compressor in that. And you got more. Got an American Standard 2006. Wait a minute. Heritage 10, is that yeah, it's a three-phase. It's a three-phase, all right. I'll have to get a picture of the compressor. Here's more. There's a lot of these here. It's a 2006. 2006. We got some modern Rudes. 2018. Ow, my back is killing me. 2020. Oh. Ooh, yeah, there's the compressor. Got two more. Oh, we got a Rude up there. I didn't see that in Street View. All right, we're gonna get one more look at this. It's a 2006. Oh, and an Olympian, which is hard to read in the sun. I'll have to review the footage once I finish. One last unit up here. We have a Rudd. We're gonna get a look at real fast. This here is a 2017. Here's the compressor. We're gonna get a, but yeah, that's it for this.